Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my recent haul from Temu, an online shopping platform where I found some really interesting and affordable items. I will review several products today, including some gadgets, home essentials, and personal care items. Let's get started. First product, solar panel. First up, we have this compact solar panel. I bought this to test how effective it is for small projects or as backup power source. It's lightweight and seems sturdy leather. I show you how it performs under direct sunlight. So stay tuned. I tested video later and I'm see not good, very not good charging. Okay, let's check other products. We have another package. Okay, I don't understand why too much package have. Okay, another package. What? Seriously? Let's open. Okay. Yes, there is a go. There is it. Nasal Syringe. Next is some Nasal Syringe. It's perfect for sinus air care and allergies. This silicone. And product 3. What is this? Okay. 3. Like oil. I don't understand why oil is here. Oh, so dirty. Okay. Third product, gel exercisers is $2. Okay, let's go. Product 4 is wallet. Here's select wallet. I ordered it. Has plenty of room for cash, and air coins. The material feels high quality for the price. It's $2 just. It's leather, but fake leather. And outfit your package comfortably. A great choice for everyday use. What is this? Okay, nice product. Let's go 5 product palm mirror. This little gadget is a palm mirror, but it is so dirty, man. I found this item. And 7 product shower head holder. Next we have this is adjustable shower head holder. It's super easy to install without any tools. And latest product cable controller. Finally I got this cable console. It's perfect. The organism has various